Updating your payment information on Etsy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account for which you want to update the payment information. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payments tab. Click on it to view your current payment methods and settings. Step 4. Update payment information. Under the Payment Settings, you will see options to add or edit your payment methods. Enter your new payment information or make the necessary changes to your existing details. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escher.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Etsy. Regularly checking your details can help avoid any issues with transactions in the future.